Walking dumbbell lunges. All right, excellent exercise to develop the entire set of legs. So first, I would say if you're doing over 30 to 35 pounds in each hand dumbbells, I would say use a belt just to keep your back protected. I'd rather be safe than sorry always. Okay, so to perform this movement, so you're gonna first grab your dumbbells. They're just gonna relax in your hands. Try not to grip them too tight. Your forearms will it'll take your mind to muscle connection off your legs if you're gripping super tight. So just kind of cup your fingertips and let the dumbbell rest. All right, so when you go to step, it's forward and a little bit outside. So I'd say about 2 to 3 inches outside for each step. So forward, a little bit outside, plant, drop this back knee straight down, keeping our chest up. Okay, before this left knee hits the floor, I'm pressing up off this lead foot. Boom. Okay, next side, alternating left foot. You want to make sure that that front heel is staying flat, that that heel isn't elevating. If you find that your heel is elevating, you're probably not hip hinging far enough, which is pushing the hip back. So make sure when you go to lunge, when you land, before you go down, it's hip hinge, down, and then go. All right? It's always like that to keep our heels flat and our knees stable. All right, now, if you weren't doing dumbbells, if I got you just doing regular lunges, it's the same exact way. Your hands can go wherever you want to for balance. Don't rush through these. Let's make these very good and focus on your form, all right?